Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down TG Therapeutics' third quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. We'll cover key financial performance metrics and dig into insights from the earnings call. Let's get started. Starting with top-line revenue, the original estimate for Q3 was $81.7 million. The company actually reported revenue of $83.88 million, surpassing expectations by 2.67%. However, this quarterly revenue marked a 49.4% decrease compared to the $165.8 million reported in the same quarter last year. Moving to adjusted earnings per share, or EPS, the original estimate for Q3 was 3 cents. The company actually reported an EPS of 2 cents, falling short of expectations by 33.3%. This result also reflects a 97.3% decrease compared to the 73 cents reported in the same quarter last year. Now, let's dive into some additional performance metrics highlighted during the earnings call. First up, TG Therapeutics has maintained stable gross margins throughout 2024, which is particularly impressive given their rapid growth. The company ended the quarter with a robust cash position of $341 million in cash equivalents, and investment securities. This strong financial position gives them plenty of runway to support their commercialization efforts and ongoing research programs. On the expense side, management indicated that their operating expenses for the full year will come in well below their original guidance of $250 million, showing strong cost control despite their aggressive commercial expansion. In interesting development, TG Therapeutics initiated a share repurchase program during the third quarter. While the initial buybacks were modest, management has confirmed their commitment to continue these repurchases through 2024 and into 2025, suggesting strong confidence in their business outlook. Now, let's shift focus to some of the key insights and takeaways from the earnings call. The company has made impressive progress with their BRIUMVI launch, now reaching nearly 1,100 prescribers across approximately 600 treatment centers. This includes an impressive 95% penetration of the top 100 MS centers in the country, showing strong adoption among key opinion leaders. A particularly interesting trend is the growing importance of the hospital segment, which now represents about 55% of their total business and is their fastest-growing segment. This shift toward hospital-based treatment is significant because it represents where the majority of MS patients are treated in the United States. In a strategic move to secure their supply chain, TG Therapeutics announced a new manufacturing agreement with FUJIFILM Diosynth Biotechnologies for BRIUMVI production in the United States. This complements their existing relationship with Samsung Biologics in South Korea and provides important redundancy in their manufacturing capabilities. The company shared exciting updates about their development programs, particularly regarding their efforts to improve the patient experience. Their clinical trials are showing promising results for a 30-minute infusion time compared to the current 1-hour standard. This could potentially give them a significant competitive advantage in the market. Additionally, they're making progress on developing a subcutaneous version of BRIUMVI, which could open up new market opportunities for patients who prefer self-administered treatments at home. All these positive developments have led management to raise their full-year guidance for BRIUMVI net U.S. sales to $300 to $305 million, up significantly from their original guidance of $220 to $260 million provided earlier in 2024. This upward revision reflects strong momentum in the business and growing confidence in their commercial execution. Looking ahead, TG Therapeutics appears well-positioned for continued growth. They're planning to increase their investment in patient awareness campaigns and marketing efforts in 2025, which could help accelerate adoption. The company's focus on improving the patient experience through innovations like faster infusion times and subcutaneous delivery options shows they're thinking strategically about long-term market leadership. That wraps up our recap of TG Therapeutics' third quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.